Yes, sir.
I have to stream these live on YouTube, these magistrations.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Going live.
Yes, sir.
I have to stream the. All right. Who is this?
On Veris?
Can you step up closer to the camera? Is it Barnett?
Vincent Oliveris.
Oh, you're Oliveris. Okay, hang on just a second. Let me get your paperwork up here. All right. All right, Mr. Oliveris. Vincent Oliveris?
Yes.
Mr. Oliveris, I'm Harris Blanchette. I'm the Justice of Peace here in San Santa County. You have a warrant out for your arrest from Montgomery County out of the 435th District Court for indecency with a child, sexual contact, a felony in the second degree. Do you understand that charge?
I understand the charge. I just don't understand why I've got it.
That I do not know. I'm just telling you what you charge with. All right. And you have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have the attorney with you while you're being questioned by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state. You have the right to remain silent. You are not required to make a statement, but any statement you make can be used in court against you. And you have the right to stop any interview or questioning at any time. And you have the right to an examining trial. Do you understand those rights? Do you?
Yes.
All right. Do you need a court-appointed attorney in Montgomery County, or are you going to get your own?
I need an attorney.
I'm sorry, I couldn't understand you.
I need an attorney. Yes.
I'm going to mark on there that we need an attorney, but it's probably going to be brought out of Montgomery County. But we'll take care of that. I'll notify the court that you need one. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
Are you currently out on bond for any other charges anywhere else?
No.
All right, hang on just a second. Trying to get all this paperwork done while I got you up here so I know I got it right. Your bond has been set by the judge of that court at $50,000. You understand that? Sir, do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Also, the judge has asked me to put bond conditions against you. I'm going to explain the bond conditions, and I'll be sending a form over there for you to sign showing that you agree to the bond conditions. Okay? Hang on just a minute while I'll bring that up on my screen. All right. This is from the Judicial District out of Montgomery County, the 435th District Court. You must submit to the Montgomery County Community Supervision and Corrections Department immediately following release from custody. Once you make your bond, you need to contact them. Abstain from the use of alcohol, cannabinoids, CBD oil containing products, or any product containing CBD oil, any controlled substances unless it's prescribed by a physician. Furnish a urine specimen for alcohol and drug testing. You shall continue to submit to random urinalysis, alcohol, and drug testing at your own expense at such time said testing may be requested by the Montgomery County Community Supervision District. Any detection of alcohol or non-prescription drugs in said urinalysis will be a violation of the defendant's condition of bond. The court will consider a dilute urinalysis as a positive urinalysis. Report as directed by the judge or the supervision officer and pay a supervision fee of $60 per month to the Montgomery County Community Supervision District. Commit no offense against the laws of this state or any other state of the United States. Avoid injurious or vicious habits. Notify the Montgomery County Department of Corrections or Community Supervision of any change of email, address, employment, or telephone. not possess a firearm or a knife unless you are a full-time paid peace officer. Also, you must not communicate directly or indirectly with the victim or any member of the victim's family or household. No contact with anyone under 18 and no internet use. Not go within 200 yards of the residence, place of employment, business, or child care facility or school of the victim or any member of the victim's household. Not engage in conduct directed toward the victim or any member of the victim's family or household that is reasonably likely to harass, annoy, alarm, abuse, torment, or embarrass. Do you understand those conditions?
Yes.
All right, I'll be sending that over there to the jail for you to sign. If you refuse to sign, then your bond is not complete and you'll remain in custody. You understand that?
Yes.
Any questions I can help you with at this time?
No, sir.
All right, thank you very much.
That's for you.
Your name, sir?
Bradley Barnett, sir.
Mr. Barnett, I'm Harris Blanchette. I'm the Justice of the Peace in San Jacinto County.
All right.
You are in jail for a warrant out of Polk County. The Livingston Municipal Court has issued this warrant. It is for assault, family violence with a previous conviction. That's a felony in the 3rd degree.
Yes, sir.
You have the right to hire an attorney to represent you. You have the right to have the attorney present to advise you prior to or during any questioning by peace officers or attorneys that represent the state. You have the right to remain silent. You are not required to make a statement, but any statement you make can be used against you in court. You have the right to stop any interview or question at any time, and the right to an examining trial. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, sir. I was
You
going
do?
to
I'm sorry.
can I say something? If I can, let me know when I can.
I'm sorry, I couldn't understand what you said.
I was saying, if you don't mind, can I say something? And if I can, let me know when I can.
Okay, yes, sir, I will. Yes, sir. Do you need a court-appointed attorney, or are you going to get your?
No. Well, I mean, maybe, I don't know yet. I want to say this to you first. Me and my wife, we went and took care of this. We thought, because it was a misunderstanding. She had her tooth pulled that day, right? My truck stalled out at the light there in Livingston at the overpass. And she said her stomach was bothering whatever because she's on pain medication, whatever, but her mouth was bleeding. Anyway, we were arguing and everything. But anyway, she ran up on the curb at the last gas station. They're going to our house. And I don't know, man. I guess people thought we was arguing. We was arguing, but we wasn't arguing like that. They seen some blood come out. She hit the curb, come out of her mouth. I don't know why people got in our business, but they did. And anyway, but we went and took care of this. We already went up there. I mean, I went up there to the police station. If they wanted to arrest me, they could arrest me right then. And we told them what happened. She signed off on it, said that it wasn't like that. And we thought that it was over with, you know. We talked to the investigators and everything. And I don't know why that they're coming back to do this. It's a waste of time. They don't have no case. You know what I mean? But anyway, my wife asked me, would you have mercy on me? Maybe not jack bond up real high or whatever. I'm gonna bond out, you know. But
I'm with you. I don't understand why. I don't know the why. I'm not in Polk County. All that happened in Livingston Police Department.
But everything I'm telling you, I know. Now, the only other thing is about 2 days before this friend of mine, he is a friend of mine. I told him don't carry the goddamn gun. He carried the gun anyway, and we got pulled over, and he got caught with the gun. It was the same police officer that ran that, but he let me go. Was the one that came over there to that, because I asked my wife, and she said it was, and that might be what it was. He thought they something to it, other than, you know, like that. But that's it, man.
I have no idea. I'm not in communication with that judge or that police officer.
She just asked me, maybe you might not set my bond real high, you know.
The judge that set your warrant has set your bond.
Okay, all right, that's what I figured. I just gonna ask anyway, you know.
That's all right, no problem. Do you
All
need
right.
a court-appointed attorney?
Yeah, I'll take the court appointed lawyer right now, you know.
All right. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
Are you currently out on bond for any other charges anywhere else?
No, I ain't been in no trouble.
All
No,
right. The,
I ain't
hang
been in
on,
trouble.
get this. The municipal judge is the one who issued the warrant,
Yes, sir.
and he has set your bond at $50,000.
Damn. All right. Man, that's high, ain't it? Kinda high, ain't it?
Well, it's the fact that you're charged with a continuing family violence, that you've been convicted of it before. You have a previous conviction.
It's been like 20, 30 years ago.
That's the law just says if you have a previous conviction.
Uh,
That raises it up where normally it would be a misdemeanor, just takes it to a felony in the 3rd degree. Anything else I can help you with, sir?
No, that's it, man.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thanks, sir.